Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to allow only admins to send messages in a WhatsApp group. Let's get started. If you manage a WhatsApp group and want to ensure that only admins can send messages while restricting other members from posting, WhatsApp provides a simple setting to achieve this. This can be useful for official announcements, important updates, or simply maintaining order in the group. To enable this feature, open WhatsApp and navigate to the group where you want to apply this setting. Tap on the group name at the top to access the group settings. Scroll down and look for Group Settings or Group Permissions, then tap on it. Here you will see different options to manage the group. Tap on Send Messages. By default, this option is enabled, meaning that anyone in the group can send messages. To restrict it, turn off the switch. Once this is done, all group members will still be able to read messages, but only admins will have the ability to send new messages. Regular participants will see a small notification in the chat indicating that only admins can send messages. If you ever need to allow members to send messages again, simply go back to the same setting and turn it back on. And that's it! Now you know how to manage your WhatsApp group chat by limiting messages to admins only.